Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to try to help you fix Windows 10 update error. Now, this is for Windows 10 Home Edition. I'm not sure if it works for the other editions, but if it does, let me know, and I can put that in the comments in the description. Alright, so about 6 hours of research and I had no luck. I was trying to update my Windows and it said I'm missing important fixes right here, and this was all red, and I did check for updates and it looked like it was updating, but it didn't. I got an error message like 3 or 4 times trying to do that, and I actually couldn't go into advanced options for some reason. I would click it right here and it would just freeze up. It would just freeze when I clicked it and nothing happened. So I did a bunch of research, and what I ended up doing was found this reset script for automatic updates that was made by a Microsoft affiliate. I'm gonna leave that in the link down below in the description. This will be from my media file. There's no viruses in any of this stuff. I have it on my system, and I'm not really here to, you know, screw anybody over. I'm just trying to help you. So if you download this reset script, you run that, it's going to open up command prompt. It's going to do like 2 or 3 things. It's going to reset your automatic updates. I wouldn't just do these alone, because these are the steps that I did until I finally got it to work. There's an automatic update registry fix right here, update. I'm going to leave this in the description as well, and it's going to bring you to my media file. Download it right here, automatic update reg, but I'll put the link down there to the direct download. And what you want to do is you want to double click on this and then hit yes and then confirm or okay, whatever, and it's gonna fix your Windows registry part of your automatic update that might be corrupt. It could be corrupt from a Trojan virus, it might be missing from something else. You might have deleted it by mistake if you were messing around in your registry at all. Before I did these 2 steps, I did the Window Registry Repair, and this was actually at regsofts.com. I'll leave this in the description. This was the very first step that I did, and go to download right here, click on it, save it, install it. Okay. And then once you run it, run a full scan, let that go. That might take some time. And then fix errors. Mine found about 148 errors. I fixed all those errors, restarted my system, and then this is what really helped me, I think. This fix update registry patch. This is going to set your Windows 10 Home Edition back to all the default registry commands for the automatic update. Restart your system after you do this. You have to double click it for it to work, and then it should open up for you. You should be able to come in here, check for updates. It should go, no problem at all. If it doesn't, then I'm not really sure. There might be another issue with your computer. It allowed me to go back into advanced options and everything. So you run this script. This is from somebody that's affiliated with Microsoft. I actually got this from another YouTube video. There was a page for it and everything, but I figured I would save you the trouble of that. And open up that, extract it, run the bat file, and then that'll do its work in the command prompt too. That'll reset everything back to default, but this is gonna actually go into your registry, and you know, if anything got corrupt in there, it should fix it for you. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you at all. Leave a like, subscribe, and if I can be of any help, leave a comment and I'll try to help you out. Okay, thank you, bye.